Every day, thousands of developers spend money on API subscriptions. Some pay for AI models, others pay for image generation, and many spend hundreds of dollars each month just testing ideas. But here's the surprising part. A lot of these costs can be avoided. Because right now, several companies are offering free API credits, developer programs, and startup incentives that most people never take advantage of. And some of them are generous enough to let you build complete projects before you ever need to reach for your credit card. So in this video, we're going to break down the best sources for free API keys, compare how much value each platform provides, discuss the limitations you need to know about, and help you decide which options are actually worth your time. If you're a developer, founder, student, or AI enthusiast looking to reduce costs, this is a video you won't want to miss. First, head over to the website using the link in the description below. This platform gives you free API access to one of the most powerful open AI models available right now, GLM 5.2. Previously, it also offered free access to Kimi K 2.7, but it looks like that free option may have been removed recently. I was able to use it before, but as of recording this video, GLM 5.2 appears to be the main free model available. To get started, click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. You'll see several sign-in options, including Google, GitHub, and email login. One thing to note, temporary email services generally don't work here, so make sure you're using a real email address. I'm going to sign in with Google, but you can use whichever method you prefer. Once you're signed in, click on the Models section. Here, you'll find a variety of AI models, including GLM 5.2, Google Nano Banana, Minimax M3, Qwen 3.7, Opus 4.8, and several others. Some models may not be available in certain regions or may require paid access, but we're focusing on the free options today. Find GLM 5.2 free, which should appear near the top of the list. As I mentioned earlier, Kimi K 2.7 used to have a free option, but it looks like that has been removed for now. Before we generate our API key, here's a quick overview of GLM 5.2. GLM 5.2 is a massive language model with approximately 744 billion total parameters and around 40 billion active parameters per token. It was trained on roughly 28.5 trillion tokens and supports up to a 1 million token context window. In several benchmarks, it performs competitively against some of the strongest models available today, making it one of the most impressive open-weight models currently available. Now let's get the API key. Once you've found the GLM 5.2 model, click on it. Then click the chat button. You can use the model directly from the website for free, but we're interested in getting API access. Next, I'll show you how to connect it to VS Code using Cline. Open VS Code and install the Cline extension. After installation, open Cline and click Choose Model. For the API provider, select Open AI Compatible. You'll need a base URL. I'll display it on the screen and also include it in the description. Now we need the API key. Go back to ZenMux and click Start to Use. Below that, you'll see Create API Key. Click it, and you'll be redirected to the API page. Don't worry if you see billing or top-up options. You do not need to add funds for this tutorial. Simply scroll down and click Create API Key. A pop-up window will appear. Enter any name you want for the key. Leave all the other settings exactly as they are and click OK. Your API key will be generated. Copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure, because you may not be able to view it again later. Now return to VS Code. Paste the API key into the API key field. Next, Cline will ask for the model name. Go back to the GLM 5.2 model page, copy the exact model name, and paste it into the model field inside VS Code. Once everything is filled in, click Done. Your setup is now complete. To verify everything is working correctly, I'll type a simple prompt like hello. The first response usually takes around 8 to 10 seconds, so don't worry if it isn't instant. And there we go. The model is responding successfully. Now you can use GLM 5.2 directly inside VS Code through Cline. One final reminder, this free access is not unlimited. There are rate limits in place. I don't know the exact limits at the time of recording, but you should expect some usage restrictions. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, coding resources, and free developer guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.